What is going on, my fine people? Fine Line 1721 checking back in, here to give you guys another quick review. Today we're going to be taking a look at an upcoming Air Jordan slated for release mid-May. But before we get into that review, I want to take a quick look at some more upcoming Nike and Jordan releases. First up, we got the Air Jordan Retro 4 SB releasing March 21st. Then we have the Air Max 1 86 OG releasing Air Max Day March 26th. And last but not least, we got the Air Jordan 11 Low Cement Gray releasing April 1st. Now, all of these releases that you see in front of you are available on FineLine1721.com, shipping out early. I also have full reviews live on the channel if you want to check those out. Now that we got that out of the way, let's go ahead and get into the main attraction. Getting right into the box, as you can see, we have that standard Air Jordan Retro box, white flight branding with the yellow Jumpman sitting in the middle. Taking a look at the front of the box, label reads Air Jordan 4 Retro, black, white, toward yellow, size 9.5, we're going to be taking a look at. Flipping up the box, we're greeted with a all yellow interior, white cement paper. Let's go ahead and peel that back and let's get into this shoe. Now that we have these out of the box, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the Air Jordan Retro 4 Thunder. Now, these don't come with any added accessories, so let's go ahead and get right into this review. First off, starting with that top-down view of the shoe, got the all-black sock liner with a hit of yellow behind the tongue, all-black insole with the white Jumpman logo sitting on the top. Going to the tongue of the shoe, got the black patch, white Jumpman logo sitting on top of the yellow flight branding. Now going down to the toe box, standard Air Jordan suede, not the thick, hairy suede. But the one thing that I will give it credit for is it is a inky black and it's not the ashy black. Now taking a look at the lateral side of the shoe, as stated, we got the all black suede uppers, yellow mesh sitting underneath the black net. Going down to the midsoles, we got the all yellow midsoles sitting on top of the black outsole, which leads us down to the bottom of the shoe, all black outsoles, hit of yellow right here on the traction with the white Jumpman logo sitting in the middle. Now going around to the heels of the shoe, you can see more of that hit of yellow with the black patch and the upside down Air Jordan branding and all white. Got the black heel tab, nothing underneath it, white Jumpman logo sitting on the back. Going around to the medial side of the shoe, same exact way as the lateral, nothing different there. Taking a last little quick 360 look of these joints right here. Very, very clean colorway in my opinion. This one right here is definitely a must cop if you are a Retro 4 fan. So if you're not trying to miss out, or if you want to just pick these joints up early, you can do so on FineLine1721.com. Pairs will be shipping out early. Please be sure to follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. Both handles are the same, FineLine1721. And until the next video, you guys already know what to do. Be smooth, enjoy life, bless up.